So in the potager garden, I've got my crimson clover that I need to cut back and plant in. That's a cover crop. Look how beautiful the flowers are. And the bees really love the flowers. They're just lovely. And so I'm going to cut this back. First I'm going to cut it back with a weed whacker, and then I'm going to dig it in and replenish this soil, which needs it. All right, and if you look above, we've got some, it's been a beautiful year for lilacs this year. They've certainly popped, and we're all very happy to have our lilacs do so well. So this one here, lovely. And I'm sorry I don't know the names of them, but it's long gone. But lovely lilacs. All right, and then here I've got kale that's flowering. I let it flower because it's good pollinator for all the bees. They just love it. And then also the flowers are very tasty and edible, and the leaves also, the new leaves are also very tasty. And so here, this is a rhubarb, and I've got to cut this flower off. You're not supposed to let the flower, so I've got to get on the ball with that one. And here we've got a Brookside Lily of the Valley, Pieris, right here, which I love. I love that one. And then this, I don't know which azalea this is. I don't know. It came when, it was here when I came, so I don't know what it is. And then I've got this clematis that is just going to pop. It's kind of getting a little bit rambunctious. And yes, here is, this is my kale. So yes, I leave it for the pollinators, and also it's pretty tasty. The flowers are tasty, the leaves are tasty. So, you know, second year, so keep them on. I'm waiting for my roses to flower. They'll be coming up soon. And let's see what else. We've got, this is Snow in Summer, Cerastium tomentosum. And then this is one of our native flowers in British Columbia called the camas. They're a little bit going over now. Here's a lavender. There's a rose. It's a white one, and peonies there. And then here, this is a Big Bang Japanese spirea. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at the foliage. The weird stripes of the foliage with the green and everything all kind of mixed in together, with the new foliage being kind of pinky orange. And then here's the nice contrast with the camas. It's nice to have a contrast there. I can get it in focus there. Right. And then I've got a rose that we just trained yesterday. That's a Dortmund. That we'll be showing you that hopefully coming up when it flowers. And these are lilies. They're going to be awesome. These lilies here. This is Stewartia. We call him Stuart. And here's more of the Japanese spirea, and the red thing is back there. That is a Hino crimson azalea, and it was just covered with flowers. I was ever so pleased with it this year. And then this, we've got some Siberian lily iris coming up, and also a Kalmia mountain laurel that's going to pop, and hydrangeas that are going to pop. And then here, this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, oh, this has been lovely this year, this lilac. It's a double lilac, double flowered lilac. You can see one that's not too far gone, and just lovely. It's a little bit past its prime, but it's still very beautiful. And so and then last but not least, I've got, by the side of the shed, RF young clematis, and then a Rebecca clematis. And I just love these things. Actually, the Rebecca was there first, and it looked like it died, so I put the RF young there. And And they both seem to like each other, so what the heck. So we'll leave it like that. So anyway, I hope you like the garden, and I hope to do more of these videos as these plants begin to take shape and bloom. Okay, so thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel, Amanda's Garden, and then please check out my website, thegardenwebsite.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.